You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this fascinating word. I love this word. I love to look at it, and I love how it sounds in German, and it's very useful to know. If you want to learn more useful German vocabulary, stay tuned. It's pronounced in German Frühstück. Frühstück. How to pronounce it in English, how to say Frühstück in German, how to say breakfast in German, Frühstück. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.